Everyone knows that Windows 10 support has been ended, so that so many people are moving to the Windows 11 latest version. If you have old type of PC or laptop or computer, then how can you upgrade it to the Windows 11? Okay, if you are in trouble, I'm here to solve your problem. First, connect with your laptop with internet and go to the Chrome, and you have to download the latest version of ISO file Windows 11. Type Windows 11 on the source bar, then after click the download Windows 11. Here you can find out Windows 11 2025 update, that is 25.2. Hold down and here you can download, create Windows 11 installation media. Okay, with the download, now open the folder, right click and run as administrator. Getting a few things ready here, and click accept, and click next, and here you have to choose the ISO file, click next, and here you have to select location where do you want to save the ISO file. I'm going to choose here download, and click save, this progress is going to start. Hence you have to download ISO file of Windows 11. Okay guys, then after completing the download, after completion the Windows 11 ISO file, go to the Chrome browser, then type rufus tool, and you have to download the rufus. Download the latest version from here, standard. Okay, then after you must have at least 8 GB pendrive, okay, to make bootable pendrive from the rufus. To download the rufus, right click and run as administrator. Then after follow the instructions. I'm going to show you ways to make bootable USB from the rufus tool. Here I am using Windows 10. Windows 10 and 11 installation process is same, so you can follow the instruction properly and make your pendrive bootable, and you can load Windows 11 latest version on your older PC. Okay guys, choose ISO file from your download. Okay, here I have selected GPT partition scheme if not supported GPT. Then after you can switch to the MBR. Okay, there you can find out the partition scheme also. After complete this process, then after reject this pendrive and insert that pendrive. Now press the power button, then after press delete or F12 key to access the boot menu. Okay, there may be the escape, F12, delete or F11 button according to your brand laptop or computer. I have your Dell laptop and its boot key is F12 or Dell key. Okay, then after I can access to the Dell key, and here you can find out the USB, SOLID USB partition 1. I'm going to select it and hit the button. Then after I'm going to choose here Windows 10 64-bit. Okay, it's loading. hit the next button and hit the install now. Then after select I don't have product key and select Windows 10 Pro and next button. And accept license terms and next and start installation. Press Shift plus F10 or Shift Fn plus F10 key to access the command prompt. Then after type there notepad and open the file tab, then open it and go to this PC. Here we are here to check which one is the C drive, and we are going to copy the file of the C drive and storing to the other drive, okay, for our safety. And go to the users and you can find out my users, and the desktop you can find out there may be your important document. Just copy that folder and paste to the next drive, okay, and that may be the secure drive. Okay, this PC. Then after I can right click and rename that OS, okay, that like this, and cancel it. Okay, first cancel button, close this. Then after here you have to press refresh and you can find out there we have refreshed, rename that folder, okay, and format to the format. And after hit the next button, then now it is started loading the OS in a drive, okay. It may take about 30 minutes if you have SSD or M.2 SSD, okay. It will be very fast, otherwise it will take about 1.5 hours to set up this whole process, okay. Here is complete guide and follow the guides and the problem will be 100% fixed.
Finally, we have installed new OS. You can install Windows 11 like this. Is it helped you or not? Let me know. Thanks.